The electric vehicle industry is revving up to meet the high expectations of an ever-expanding market. With this explosive growth, repeatable, dependable, and consistent manufacturing processes are necessary to stay on top of the market demand. With the projections of volume and delivery requirements being so demanding, Mazak Megastir is prepared and confident with solutions and dependable technology to meet your needs.
Here at Mazak Megastir, we're combining friction stir welding with traditional subtractive technology. And what friction stir welding does is it gives you the ability to join assembly components with the same setup on the same machine with the same operator. In terms of Lean Six Sigma, we've eliminated a tremendous amount of waste. It's really consolidated all these factory aspects into one machine, one platform, and we call that a zero-step factory. Traditionally, adoption of new technology is expensive. What we've done at Mazak is we made this extremely inexpensive. We take an existing platform and we turn it into a hybrid multitasking platform by adding the Mazak Megastir technology to that. Another advantage that I'm excited about is that friction stir welding is a green technology in that there are no arcs or sparks or toxic fumes that are generated in the process of joining metal. Ultimately, friction stir welding is a better weld.
Our clients here at Mazak, they love the Mazak machines in that we can get through the design cycle faster through prototyping and full production. So with prototyping, we can take that design, we can manufacture it, we can machine it, weld it, final machine it, and get it out the door. We're going to mimic a prototype of a battery tray that's going to be used on an electric vehicle. So we're going to take our design, we're going to machine it out, put it on a fixture, and quickly weld it all in one shot and do our final machining. And it's an actual part that could be used on an actual electric vehicle. In joining processes in general, we have arc welding, laser welding, whatever it is. But you put a lot of heat into it to melt the material to get a joint. Well, with friction stir welding, the heat is so much lower and then we're actually just stirring the material together without ever melting it. So the process is fast, we have low heat input, low distortion, and the quality is much, much better, second to none.
For more information on products and services, please visit our website or contact us directly. Go to mazakmegastir.com or contact your Mazak rep to get more information and schedule a demo. Mazak Megastir, the future of solid-state joining is now.